Hi everyone, my name is Alexander. I am the CEO of CloEE. We made an AI digital advisor to address one of the major problems of manufacturers globally, the losses of millions of dollars due to inefficiency. Now, I'm going to show you the latest demo of CloEE AI Advisor for manufacturing efficiency, technology control, quality operations, and measured parameters, and execution of jobs, batches, and workflows. So what CloEE allows you to do, the CloEE page is split into two parts. On the left side, you see the legacy dashboard that enables you to show various sites. You can see one site, or if you have multiple sites, you can see the efficiency of the multiple sites. How many machines in total do you have? What is the ideal time? What is the overall average OEE? Or it could be just an OEE per specific period of time. Then you can drill down into a specific site and see which machines are idle, best performing or worst performing machines. On the right side, we have an AI advisor that's able to drill down and use the data you have to provide specific insights. For example, you might want to know for site 1 to compare site 1 to site 2, which were the best performing machines. Or you might want to know the batch execution of the same batch for specific machines. Let me show you an example of the batches page. So the batch page allows you to see the batch name, the average performance, the runtime, ideal time, how many batches we have, when it started, when it ended, etc. And then all the batches allow you to see daily, weekly, and monthly analysis if we need to view the last 7 days, or we want to see this month, etc. So there are a lot of custom filters and buttons. Let me show you an example for a batch. So I tap this request, and you can see the data for this batch on the best performing machine 002. And I haven't specified the range, so it just pulled the latest information that it has in the database. In this example, you can see there are 3 to 4 batches in the last few months, and here is the average performance. Now, we have some certain data that has exceeded the values of 100% because this is demo data, synthetic data, so it's quite accurate as you can see, and it's just for the purpose of showing you how it works. We have electricity data, natural gas data to input downtimes. For example, machine number 2, maintenance repair. Super beautiful dashboard for the operators. And the best thing is that is suitable for any kind of data that you have. It could be from scanner systems or from CNC machines, furnaces, robots, etc. It's easy to plug in and easy to utilize our AI advisor. It also can generate reports. It can generate charts that will be popped up here. This will be available in the next video that I highly recommend you look at. Thank you so much.